Greetings, Performance Reviews, where I give you the review from the technician's point of view. And today I have a Wessel PT160. And this is a misunderstood item, so I want to explain what this is and what it does and what it doesn't do. So this is a handheld turbo brush, which means it's air-driven, meant to remove stubborn pet hair and groom, upholstery, and stairs. Now, the fitting that this is going to come with is 1.25 inches, which means this will fit most central vacuums, Henry vacuums, and later model Lindhuas HF6 canisters. This will not fit a SEBO, a Miele, a Bosch, or anything else with a wider fitting, and it will not fit some of the weirder fittings like Shark and Dyson. Now, this has a nice little bit of articulation right here, so it will adjust to the user. It is made in Germany. You'll have the Wessel logo if it is genuine. If it does not have that logo, this video is not on that product. Now there's a rotating collar. You can press the button. This can then be opened so that you can clean out anything that might be obstructing the turbine or the belt drive. Don't expect ever to replace this belt. It's good for a very long time. But stuff will occasionally get caught in this turbine, and you should vacuum it out with your crevice tool. And that just snaps right back together. Now, the other thing that does need to be done, as far as regular maintenance, is you do want to cut any hair or string off this roller. And you can see there is a nice line in there, so that you can just follow that line and cut it off. Wessel also makes a tool for doing that. Let's see how this does with the stubborn pet hair. Well, that made short work of that. Thanks for watching, folks. Have yourself a fantastic day.